The Belkin 12-outlet surge protector power strip is designed for situations where multiple devices need to be connected in one place. And this 3-pack makes it especially practical for offices, classrooms, workspaces, or other areas that need several power strips. Each unit provides 12 outlets, giving users plenty of connection points for computers, monitors, chargers, accessories, and other everyday electronics without relying on a large number of separate power strips. A key feature is the 3780 Joule surge protection rating, which indicates the amount of energy the surge protector is designed to absorb from electrical surges. For equipment that stays connected regularly, having dedicated surge protection can be an important consideration. The 8-foot power cord adds useful flexibility when the nearest wall outlet is not directly beside the workspace. Instead of being limited to a short reach, the longer cable provides more freedom when positioning the power strip. The flat plug is another practical detail, because its low-profile design can be useful when the wall outlet is located behind furniture or equipment. These features make the design more adaptable, without adding unnecessary complexity. The UL listing is also worth noting because it indicates that the product has been evaluated under applicable safety standards. For an office or shared workspace where several electronic devices may be connected, that certification can be an important part of the buying decision. The biggest advantage of this package is its combination of outlet capacity and quantity. With 3 12-outlet power strips included, it can serve multiple areas rather than requiring a separate purchase for each workspace. At the same time, the 12-outlet layout is most useful when there is a genuine need for many connected devices, since a smaller power strip may be more appropriate for simple setups. Overall, this Belkin package focuses on practical power access, surge protection, long cable reach, and flexible placement, making it particularly suited to offices and other environments where multiple devices need organized access to power.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.